Hi friends, welcome to the channel. There is a good news from Nucleus Software that it is conducting off-campus drive for 2021 and 2022 and 2023 passed out batches. And watch the video till the end to know complete details about this hiring and the selection process and eligibility criteria as well. And if we come to the company, Nucleus Software Fresher Hiring 2023 is conducting off-campus drive, organizing off-campus drive for candidates of batch 2020, 2021 and 2022 for its drive process. Bachelors with a degree in BE, Btech, ME, Mtech and MS can apply for their drive process. So if you are interested in the same, you can apply through the link will be given in description. And if you have any queries regarding the same, you can join in our WhatsApp and Telegram groups as well. And one thing I want to tell you in this video, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, so please do subscribe so that you will never miss latest updates on our YouTube channel. And the qualification is required, eligibility criteria from BE BTech, job location will be Noida, branches only eligible from CSIT and ECE, passed out year and 2022 and prior, that means earlier batches can also apply for this, and a minimum of 60% marks throughout academics with no backlogs, and they are offering 4.25 LPA, and the responsibilities are also given. The engagement will be directly with the product and research and development team. All projects will be related to our product offerings and will be involved development of extensions, APIs and frameworks, toolkits and other reusable components to be used in one of our product suites mentioned above. These projects will be developed based on Java, J2EE technologies using various frameworks like Spring, JPA, Hibernate, Bootstrap 3.0, jQuery, etc. Some of the projects will provide exposure to latest technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoT, chatbots, neural networks, etc., and programming skills in Java and knowledge of OOPS concept. That you must be aware of Java programming language and with good knowledge of object-oriented programming system. And how to apply for the Nuclear Software Fresher, and the link will be given in description. You can go through that link. And to join in our WhatsApp and Telegram groups, the links are also given in description. You can go through that, and if you have any queries regarding the same, and you can comment in our comment section. Thank you.